How to make your abs more visible. Too much body fat. You should aim for a body fat percentage below 10%. The fix. Keep a record of everything you eat for a week and look for areas where you can tighten up your nutrition. Are your weekends getting a little too relaxed, or are your portion sizes getting bigger and bigger? Look for ways to tighten up the diet and you'll notice your waist tightening up as well. You focus on sit-ups and crunches. Performing endless amounts of bodyweight crunches and sit-ups will not build up much in the way of ab muscle and certainly won't help drastically reduce body fat. While bodyweight exercises will help boost your metabolism and burn calories, there are many more effective exercises you can do instead. You're forgetting how to actually build muscle. One of the best ways to build muscle is to perform heavier sets with fewer reps. This means adding resistance to any ab exercises you're doing. Experiment with cable crunches and doing sit-ups whilst holding a weight plate. Performing lower reps such as 10 to 12 for 3 sets with a weight can yield better muscular growth than doing 100 unweighted crunches at a time. You're overtraining the ab area. Excluding fitness professionals whose bodies are used to their constant daily routine of training their abs at the end of sessions, the average gym goer should understand that rest is just as important as training. Like your arms or legs, your abs need time to recover and grow. If you liked this video, then make sure to drop a like. Until next time, keep up the grind.